Like, oh, there's a tape on it.
There's black tape
On the edge.
on the edge.
On the edge.
On the,
Oh. Stop it. I'm Billy.
I'm Jesse. And today we have for you
Toothpaste?
tooth wash paste. Tooth
You cleaneth
paste
the
with
teetheth on the teetheth.
tooth soap.
Tooth.
Soap for your teeth.
So
By Nature's Art. So check it out. We'll see how you feel about it. It's good. There's no water in that one. There's water in this one. Don't put this on your head. We're gonna spit in there. It's mint, original flavor. So we're just gonna get into the tooth brushing.
So everybody can see how terrible I am about brushing my teeth?
Yes, exactly. That's literally.
Well,
Not literally. This is for us. So we'll actually, have some natural
Well, that's very minty.
natural.
It's super minty.
hygiene, just some good hygiene. Practicing good hygiene right here on camera because we don't want the world to know that we have horrible hygiene. Yeah. Anyway, here.
I'm playing with
You
it.
gotta water it.
I'm playing with it.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get into the business. I'm down to this right here. Huh? It's like
Is it a gummy type thing?
it's a little gummy. You just, let's get a little bit on there. I don't know. This might be not enough. This might be too much. We'll see. Just give her another dip. I can taste the baking soda.
Yeah. Alright, that's what? Hey,
What?
make sure you get behind the teeth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you gotta go behind it too. I'll go, go circular pattern over the teeth. Now, when you're brushing your teeth, do you
What?
count your strokes? Or
No.
you just like, oh, that's probably good right there. I'll stop doing that side.
Uh-huh.
I usually try to get about 10 circular patterns. Well, that's really busy. I gotta spread this out. No. Alright. Fantastic. Water. Need water. You still feel it in there?
Yeah.
Did you get more?
Want one? I got a drink out of that!
I was gonna get more, but I didn't want to get it in the tooth soap.
I'm never getting this out of my mouth.
Sorry.
I don't know what it is. Oh, hello.
Look, you got your own special water. That's just for you. Completely unprompted and impromptu. Great. Good job.
That's not water. That's not water. I don't know what that was. That's not water.
Let me smell it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Smells like water. Tastes like water.
It's not water.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's not water, man.
How do you know? Did you put not water in
I
this?
put not water in that.
What did you put in it? There's water in this.
Dip.
I don't know if this is normal, but it's leaving kind of a coating on my teeth, it feels like. I don't know if that's from it feeling super clean or from something that's in there. Yeah, we'll go for a second brushing. Let's do that. So I hear this was formulated by you guys there at Nature Art and a dentist. So, I mean, it does feel pretty clean. My mouth feels really clean right now. That's why I'm going in for more. But there's kind of like a coating of just, I don't know. It feels like if you were to like dip your teeth into wax, there would be like a wax coating on it. It's nasty. Let's go in. You can talk now.
I spewed and my gums might be bleeding.
You know, the dentist would probably say that you have
Gingivitis.
gingivitis. Just a mild case of it.
Yeah.
80% of Americans have it, so.
My teeth feel clean, yeah. It's a cup is half full of just mixture of mine and his spit. And
It's
possibly
nasty.
blood.
It's so gross. That's probably the grossest thing I've ever seen.
I don't recommend looking in this cup. Yeah, no, overall, yeah, my teeth feel clean.
They do feel really clean.
I'm Billy.
And I'm Jesse.